In the competitive world of pool cleaning technology, one name stands out: the best Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Designed for efficiency and performance, this cleaner boasts an oversized leaf bag for maximum debris collection and a weekly timer for hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for swimming pools up to 50 feet in length, it truly represents the pinnacle of innovation in pool care for the year 2024. A cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize your pool cleaning experience. This self-propelled marvel boasts an array of advanced features that set it apart from the competition. One of its standout features is its effortless plug-and-play functionality, requiring no assembly whatsoever. With just a single button, this in-ground robotic pool cleaner springs into action, making it an ideal choice for pools up to 50 feet in length. But what truly sets it apart is its innovative software, which leverages highly optimized scanning and coverage algorithms to ensure every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned. Equipped with two 24-volt DC motors and a 60-foot extra-long hose, the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner delivers unparalleled performance. Its patented swivel cable prevents tangling, allowing the Dolphin to navigate your pool with ease. Meanwhile, its dual scrubbing brushes tackle tough dirt and debris on the pool floor, walls, and waterline, leaving them sparkling clean in just 3 hours. With its multimedia filter options, including bottom-load fine cartridge filters, ultra-fine cartridge filters, and an oversized fine filter bag, it offers unmatched versatility and convenience. And with features like wall climbing and a built-in weekly scheduler, maintaining a pristine pool has never been easier. Backed by glowing user feedback and field-tested reliability, the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner represents the pinnacle of engineering in the pool robot industry. Whether your pool is made of gunite, plaster, vinyl, or fiberglass, this powerhouse cleaner is up to the task. Say goodbye to tedious manual cleaning and hello to effortless, automated maintenance with the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. With its unparalleled performance and unmatched convenience, it is time to elevate your pool cleaning game with the latest in robotic technology. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.